Earn PayPal money online using eBay. With this free technique, you don't need to buy any products. I'm going to show you how to get free products to sell, and it's very cool. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Also, check out my #1 recommendation. It's a top link in the video description below. My #1 recommendation for making money online. You can get a free membership there, free websites, free training, and a bunch of really other cool stuff. But let's just dive right into this. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to eBay and type in ebooks over here on the search bar. And then you're going to find all these different ebooks. That's what we'll be selling. And now don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get these ebooks for free with total resale rights, so you don't have to even invest any money. Awesome. So here are a few. They're selling them for 99 cents, 100 sold, 89 sold for these pizza recipes. You can scroll down a little bit more. You can see 87 sold for the pizza recipes again, another 582 sold. So as you can see, these books at 99 cents can really add up to lots of good money. And if you have a lot of them, which I'm going to show you how to get a lot of them for free, it could be very lucrative. So the website here is called Resale Rights Weekly, resale-rights-weekly.com. And you get a totally free membership. All you got to do here, there's a big sales page here. You can check it out. There is a paid membership. I don't have the paid membership myself. I just use the free stuff. You can read all this if you want. But what you want to do here is click here to download 728 free products. And they add to this all the time. And instant access to over 728 hot selling PRL/RL digital products. 2 hot new products each and every week. Toolbox here, instant access to 330 tools. Instant access to membership form. And all kind of other stuff. Here's even articles and stuff like that. You just sign up for a free membership real quick. I already have a membership, so I'm just going to skip to that right here. And when you have a membership, you're going to have a page like so, and you can upgrade. But again, all members, free members area download right here. It's the link. And there's different months here. It goes all the way back to August 2007. And let's just go into April 2019 here. So here we go. Here's a bunch of books. Comes with master resale giveaway rights, effective sales page. Comes with a resale rights. All these come with resale rights pretty much. Here's a good one, fitness. So let's check this one out. All you gotta do is click the link here, download it. There's even a sales page. So when you download it, it'll come in a zip file and you just unzip it. And this one has a bunch of stuff here. There's a license right here. You have it certified for full resale rights for this one. Here's the ebook itself. It's a PDF, so when you sell it, you can just email it to the person who bought it. And I'm not going to show you the whole book. But there's other stuff in here as well. There's sales pages and stuff, emails, if you want to do email marketing for this one as well. But basically, there's the free book. And then it comes with the images and stuff too for your eBay listing. And then you want to write a short description. Once you have your eBay account, you make a short description. Some of them actually have descriptions and stuff like that. Like this one, for example, has its own sales page. You just go view sales page here, and you can use some of this information in here to create your eBay listing, and you're good to go. So it's really a cool way to make some money without investing any money. So they're selling the book for $17 here. I recommend checking out eBay too. There's so many books. There's over 700 things you can sell from this. Sorry, right here, the Resale Weekly. You just go to different months, and there's different books here, and they all have really good graphics. And some of them have the sales page and stuff, and some of them you have to write your own listings for or whatever. But like, see the email marketing success. There's a nice sales page for that one, so you could just use some of the text in here for your eBay listing. And as you can see, you're on eBay here. You just create like this pizza one. This one's sponsored. So you just create a listing like so, sell it for 99 cents. This one sold 87 copies at the moment. So it really adds up. There's no shipping costs, and you get paid through PayPal pretty quickly. So that is cool, folks. Also, Please do check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. You're going to get a free membership there, free websites, free training, a very large community of people to help you out make money online as well. It's what I use. It's what lots of other people use. It's a really cool system. Subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.